Huge fenced flat yard with car width gate entries. Built by local custom builder. Updated hardwood flooring in family room and hall. Newer kitchen BACKSBLSH. Beautifully landscaped around home. 2 covered porches and deck. Low maintenance vinyl exterior. Quaint inviting curb appeal. 3 ceiling fans. Gas fireplace. Double width driveway. Garage workbench and shelving. Convenient to downtown Fuquay Varina, Fuquay Park with splash pad. Within 20 minutes of Raven Rock State Park and Campbell University. Enjoy relaxing on the back porch, grilling on the deck, and playing in the backyard.